Are you excited about the next generation of AI-powered analytics in Power BI? At Microsoft Build 2026, Microsoft unveiled 4 major Power BI innovations designed to make the entire BI stack AI-ready. These updates empower analysts, developers, business users, and AI agents to work together more effectively than ever before. Agent Skills for Power BI. Agent Skills for Power BI Preview introduces end-to-end agentic analytics. Simply describe what you need, even from a screenshot, and AI can build semantic models, generate reports, and refine visualizations through a single workflow. Build enterprise apps on semantic models. Fabric Apps enables developers and AI coding agents to create enterprise-grade web applications directly from semantic models. Organizations can rapidly build tailored business applications while maintaining trusted governance and business logic. Curated Analytics with OrgApps. The new OrgApps experience makes it easier to deliver customized analytics at scale. Teams can create multiple branded app experiences per workspace and use audience controls to ensure the right users see the right content. User-defined functions for DAX. User-defined functions bring reusable, parameterized logic to Power BI's semantic layer. This reduces duplication, simplifies maintenance, and creates a stronger foundation for both human users and AI-driven experiences. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.